Dear students, here Ashfaq Pathan, Department of Mathematics, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. So, in last class, we have discussed the examples on odd and even function in the interval minus pi to plus pi. So, in minus pi to plus pi, we have solved an examples by substituting put x is equal to minus x. Now, if the example is having 0 to 2 pi, so we need to put x is equal to 2 pi minus x. So if it is substitute put to x is equal to 2 pi minus x, the nature and the nature of f of x, here it is a naught, an, bn. Okay, so nature of f of x, that is if you substitute put f x is equal to 2 pi minus s, it becomes f of 2 pi minus x is equal to, if it is getting plus f of x, then the function becomes even function. Then the function becomes even. If the function becomes even, so bn becomes 0. So you need to find a naught. So a naught is equal to, again, that is 2 divided by pi integration 0 to pi f of x into dx. What the example, what the formula you have in minus pi to plus pi, the formula is same, but only the checking is different. The different is x, where if it is having minus pi to plus pi, put x is equal to minus x. When it is having 0 to 2 pi, put x is equal to 2 pi minus x. So therefore here the formula is a naught, and an is 2 divided by pi integration 0 to pi f of x into cos nx with respect to dx. And similarly, when you substitute, that is 2 pi minus x, then when you getting minus f of x, then the function becomes odd function. So therefore here it is a naught, an becomes 0. Only you need to find a bn. So their formula is 2 divided by pi integration 0 to pi, then f of x into sin nx with respect to dx. With respect to, note, here it is note, if the function is having double function. So if you are having a function that is f of x is equal to, that is having, that is phi of x, where x lies in between, that is 0 to pi, and psi of x you are having, that is pi to 2 pi, then the substitution is same. So you have to take this again, put x is equal to 2 pi minus x only. So therefore phi of 2 pi minus x, if you are getting psi of x, then you can say that, it is a even function. Okay, then if you substitute f of 2 pi minus x and you are getting a negative psi of x, then the function becomes odd function. Then the formulas as usual what you have written in this column. Okay, so this is about the concept of odd and even when the given interval is 0 to 2 pi. Okay, now let us solve some examples. The examples I used to take like this, that is the example is, that is obtain the Fourier series of f of x is equal to pi minus x divided by 2 in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So if it is like this, the Fourier series, the required, you have to start like this, the required Fourier series of a period 2 pi, is given by, that is f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity en cos nx plus summation n from 1 to infinity bn sin nx. So this is your answer. You need to find a naught, an and bn. So how to check odd and even? So we shall check here first. We shall check odd or even. How to check odd and even? So if it is given, you observe the first interval here. So whatever the function may be given, so you observe first interval. If the interval is given 0 to 2 pi, put x is equal to 2 pi minus x. So you take the given function, that is f of 2 pi minus x is equal to pi minus x is replaced by 2 pi minus x and divided by 2. Now see here, pi minus multiply inside 2 pi, so minus of minus plus x divided by 2. So therefore Here it is pi minus 2 pi is minus pi plus x divided by 2. Shall I take a common minus here? If I take a minus common, so pi minus x divided by 2. So that is equal to minus sign as it is. You observe this pi minus x divided by 2. It is nothing but f of x. So therefore it is f of x. So f of 2 pi minus x, you got minus f of x. Therefore the function becomes uh, odd. Therefore the function f of x is odd. If the function is odd, so therefore you can write here a naught an always becomes 0 as from the table. Now we need to find only the bn value. So the bn can be written as like this. So bn is equal to 2 divided by pi integration 0 to pi f of x into sine n x with respect to dx. Okay, so this is the formula for bn. Now substitute the value for bn, that is 2 divided by pi as it is integration 0 to pi f of x is pi minus x divided by 2. So pi minus x divided by 2 I used to take outside into, that is sine nx with respect to dx. Now further we will go like this, that is so see here 2 to get cancelled, 2 to get cancelled, 1 by pi remains. So I can write here that is 1 by pi bracket applying Bernoulli's rule. First function pi minus x as it is integration of sine is minus cos nx divided by n bracket minus differentiation of this function becomes minus 1 and integration of this one is minus cos is sine nx divided by n square, then applying limit, that is 0 to pi here. As we know that when you substitute this limits, this term becomes 0. So therefore 1 divided by pi remaining terms and divided by n is a constant. Let me take outside pi minus x into cos nx and minus sign I will take outside. So applying limit 0 to pi. So therefore minus 1 divided by pi into n. So if you apply pi inside, it becomes 0. Okay, minus when you apply 0, it becomes pi into cos 0. So therefore it becomes minus cos 0 is 1, minus into minus plus pi divided by pi into n. So pi get cancelled. So finally you got 1 by n. So this is the value for bn. After getting bn, substitute these values in, put these values in the given equation 1. So f of x is equal to a naught is 0, an is 0. Only you need to substitute bn, summation n from 1 to infinity, bn is 1 by n, that is sine nx. So this is your required Fourier series. Okay, so this is one example I have solved here. Now let me go for some more examples. Now let us move for second example. Obtain the Fourier series for the function f of x is equal to x into bracket 2 pi minus x in the interval 0 to 2 pi, in the interval 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so for this one also we have to start this one, that is uh, by required series. Okay, so this is your Fourier series, that is f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation n from 1 to infinity bn sin nx. So which is a required Fourier series. As I told you, if the example is given 0 to 2 pi, so put x is equal to 2 pi minus x in the given function. So the given function is f of x is equal to x into bracket 2 pi minus x. Okay, now put here x is equal to 2 pi minus x, substitute 2 pi minus x here. So x substitute 2 pi minus x, so 2 pi minus x into bracket, so 2 pi minus into bracket x is 2 pi minus x. Now you can solve like this, 2 pi minus x bracket as it is bracket 2 pi multiply minus sign minus 2 pi minus into minus plus x. Now see here minus 2 pi plus 2 pi get cancelled. So finally you got x into bracket 2 pi minus x. Okay, Now you observe x into 2 pi minus x is nothing but what? Again f of x. So it is become plus f of x. So if you substitute 2 pi minus x, even though you got a plus f of x, therefore the function becomes, the function is even. If the function is even, so bn becomes 0. Therefore bn becomes 0. You need to find a naught and bn. A naught and an. So a naught is equal to 2 divided by pi integration 0 to pi f of x into dx. So therefore 2 divided by pi integration 0 to pi, then the function is f of x. By multiplying x inside, I can write 2 pi minus x, 2 pi x minus x square into dx. Okay, now apply the integration. So 2 pi is the constant, integration of x is x square divided by 2, uh, uh, applying limit 0 to pi, minus integration of x square is x cube divided by 3, applying limit 0 to pi here. So therefore 2 get cancelled, so 2 divided by pi bracket. So if you apply this pi, so it becomes pi square into pi, it becomes pi cube. Okay, minus apply this, it becomes pi cube divided by 3. So take a LCM, 2 divided by pi bracket 3 pi cube minus pi cube divided by 3. So I can write here 2 divided by pi bracket 3 pi cube minus pi cube is 2 pi cube divided by 3. So 1 pi here on pi get cancelled. So it becomes 4 pi square divided by 3. So for pi square divided by 3, which is the value for a naught. So you got a naught. Now let us go for an. An is equal to 2 divided by pi integration 0 to pi f of x into cos nx with respect to dx. Okay, now further substitute 2 divided by pi integration 0 to pi as it is. The function is 2 pi x minus x square into cos nx with respect to dx. Okay, now apply the Bernoulli's rule. So 2 divided by pi as it is bracket first function 2 pi x minus x square as it is, integration of cos nx is. So let us take this in the next page. I will go with the next page, that is okay. So 2 divided by pi as it is. Okay, now first function as it is 2 pi x minus x square as it is, integration of cos is sin nx divided by n, then minus differentiation of this term is 2 pi minus x square is 2x. Okay, now integration of sin nx is minus cos nx divided by n square. Then I will continue here plus alternate sign, differentiation of this term is minus 2, again integration of this one is minus n as it is, integration of cos is sin nx divided by n cube, bracket applying 0 to pi. As I told you, this term becomes 0, this term become 0 when you apply 0 to pi limits. When you apply 0 to pi limits, the value becomes 0. Okay, the value becomes 0. Now further remaining term is, that is 2 divided by pi, 2 divided by pi bracket, the remaining term is minus into minus plus n square divided by n square remains, remaining is 2 pi minus 2x into cos nx. Okay, so applying limit 0 to pi. Okay, now apply pi inside here, upper limit. So if you apply pi inside, so therefore 2 divided by pi n square as it is, when you apply pi inside, the first term becomes 0. Okay, when you apply 0, it becomes 2 pi into cos 0 So therefore, so cos 0 becomes 1, minus 2 pi into this one is, that is minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 pi divided by pi n square remains. So pi get cancelled, so minus 4 divided by n square is the value for an. So an value, after getting a naught and an, put these values in the equation number 1. So therefore the required Fourier series is f of x is equal to a naught. What is a naught you got here? So a naught as we got, that is 4 pi square divided by 3, 4 pi square divided by 3 divided by 2, a naught by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity, n is minus 4 divided by n square into cos nx. So which is required, or you can cancel here, 2 ones are 2 twos are, so therefore 2 pi square divided by 3 plus summation n from 1 to infinity minus 4 divided by n square into cos nx. So this is a required Fourier series, which is required Fourier series, which is required Fourier series. Okay, so further let us move for the, now let us start with the third example. The example I have written here: obtain the Fourier series representation in 0 to 2 pi of the function f of x, defined by f of x is equal to x square, that is 0 to pi, and minus 2 pi minus x whole square in pi to 2 pi. This is an example I have taken with double function. Okay, so how to start this type of example is that so in the given example, that is in the given example, f of x, let us start with the phi of x is equal to the first function x square, and psi of x we will define with that is minus of 2 pi minus x the whole square. We have to take this phi of x, the first function phi of x, and second function is psi of x. Okay, so if it is a given example of 0 to 2 pi, as I told you, put x is equal to 2 pi minus x. Okay, so you take any one of these two function. Let me take this a first function, that is let phi of x is equal to x square. Put x is equal to 2 pi minus x here. Phi of 2 pi minus x is equal to this phi is nothing but 2 pi minus x the whole square. Okay, the whole square. So further you observe here, I can write like this also, that is pi 2 pi minus x uh, the whole square, phi of 2 pi minus x the whole square. So this is exactly nothing but that is psi of x. Okay, so therefore minus, if I can write here minus, it is exactly phi of x, so therefore you can write here phi of x also. The phi of 2 pi minus x is equal to minus psi of x. So therefore the function is odd. Therefore the function is odd. If the function is odd, so therefore a naught an becomes 0. You need to find only bn. So bn is equal to 2 divided by pi integration 0 to pi, then f of x into sin nx with respect to dx. Okay, so here you need to put the value of, that is f of x. F of x is defined here 2, but the interval is 0 to pi, so therefore what is the function having here? 0 to pi having is x square. Pi to 2 pi you cannot take because the interval is 0 to pi, so therefore the function is defined in the given function is x square. So therefore you have to take 0 to pi x square into sin nx with respect to dx. So therefore 2 divided by pi, apply the Bernoulli's rule. First function as it is, integration of sin is minus cos nx divided by n bracket minus differentiation of x square is 2x, then again integration of this cos is sin nx divided by n. Okay, then plus alternate sign, differentiation of 2x is 2, then again integration of this one is sin is minus cos, so it become plus cos nx divided by, this is square, this is cube, applying limit 0 to pi. So as I told you, the if you apply the limits for sine function becomes 0, the remaining part as 2 divided by pi. Okay, so bracket, here it is remaining minus 1 divided by n x square into cos nx, applying limit 0 to pi. Here it remains 2 divided by n cube, so 2 divided by n cube bracket remaining is cos nx applying limit 0 to pi. Okay, now let us move for further. That is 2 divided by pi as it is, bracket minus 1 by n is also as it is. Now apply upper limit pi square into cos n pi square into cos n pi. When you apply lower limit 0, okay, the next term is plus 2 divided by n cube. When you apply pi, it become cos n pi, minus when you apply 0, cos 0. Okay, so bracket complete. So 2 divided by pi, bracket, so minus 1 by n, pi square cos n pi, it is pi square minus 1 raised to n, plus 2 divided by n cube. So it become like this, cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n minus 1, bracket complete. Okay, so further the term you will get like this, that is multiplying this 2 by pi inside, so it become minus, when pi get cancelled, so minus 2 pi divided by n minus 1 raised to n, multiply this inside, so it will become plus 4 divided by n cube pi. Okay, bracket minus 1 raised to n minus 1, bracket complete. So this is the value for bn. Okay, then after getting this bn, put this in the required Fourier series. F of x is equal to a naught by 2 is 0, an is 0, only the value is summation n from 1 to infinity minus 2 pi divided by n minus 1 raised to n plus 4 divided by n cube pi minus 1 raised to n minus 1, bracket into sin nx. So this is the required Fourier series. Okay, so I hope you have understand this type of examples when it is given in the interval 0 to 2 pi. Remember very clear that if first of all you have to see the given examples interval. If it is given minus pi to plus pi, you put x is equal to minus x. If it is plus f of x, then it is function becomes even, bn becomes 0. If it is minus f of x, the function becomes odd, a naught, an becomes 0. Now, I have solved 3 examples of the interval 0 to 2 pi. If it is example having 0 to 2 pi, put x is equal to 2 pi minus x. And when you substitute 2 pi minus x, when you are getting plus f of x, then you consider the function is even, bn becomes 0. Whenever you substitute 2 pi minus x, the answer you are getting as minus f of x, then the function becomes odd. That is a naught an becomes 0. Okay, so clear. So first of all, you have to observe the given interval. Okay, so I hope you have understand this one. In the next class, we'll discuss the even and odd functions of arbitrary period 2l. In 2l, you are again having the two intervals, that is minus l to plus l and 0 to 2l. At a time, I used to give the table for both the interval minus l to plus l and 0 to 2l. I used to give the same common table, okay, table for that one, and I will solve simultaneously examples of arbitrary period 2l having minus l to plus l and 0 to 2l. Okay, so I hope you have understand this one. Thank you.